Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Factors that determine the cost of bike insurance policy. The increasing number of two-wheelers on India roads has contributed to increased traffic on the streets, leading to a greater risk of accident. To avert this risk, the Indian government has made it mandatory for all vehicle owners to buy insurance. As a bike owner, you must ensure you invest in an excellent bike insurance policy. But what factors decide bike insurance policy cost? Let us find out in this video. Factors affecting two-wheeler insurance costs. Make and model of the bike. A regular scooter or a geared two-wheeler would have a lower insurance premium than a high-end bike or a sport bike. The logic is simple. The higher the value of the various parts of a motorcycle, the higher is the insurance premium for such a bike. Type of coverage. Bike insurance policies are primarily of two types: third-party insurance and comprehensive insurance. Third-party insurance covers damages only associated with a third party involved in an accident. A comprehensive policy takes care of that third party and other incidents encompassing natural calamities and human action like theft, burglaries, and etc. Since comprehensive policies offers more, the bike insurance policy costs of those policies are relatively higher. Adds-on. Adds-on cover an additional insurance features that you can add to your existing bike insurance policy cost. Example include zero depreciation, engine protection, roadside assistance, and etc. This adds-on give you more coverage than your standard insurance policy. The insurance for bike price increases with this adds-on. The next is modification. While modifying the parts of your bike may enhance the looks of your bike, it results in a higher bike insurance policy cost to cover the cost of these parts. The more modification you make to your vehicle, the more will your premium payouts increase. Anti-theft devices. Installing anti-theft devices not only helps protect your bike from theft but also reduces the risk for the insurance provider. The insurance rewards you for reducing the risk or liabilities by offering discounts on premium and bike insurance renewal prices. The next is geographical location. If you reside in metropolitan or urban cities, the cost of insurance will be higher than that of smaller towns or rural areas, since the traffic density is higher in metros. It increases the bike's risk factor, which means you must pay higher insurance for bike prices. The next is insured declared value. Your bike's value begins to depreciate as the bike gets older. Depreciation also affects the insured declared value of the motorcycle, which reduces with passing year. You can however increase the IDV of the bike by paying a higher premium on the two-wheeler insurance cost at the time of renewal. The next is no claim bonus. No claim bonus or NCB is a discount, usually in percentage, offered by insurance company to policyholder who do not file a claim in a given year. Your NCB discount increases with each subsequent claim-free year and is excellent means to reduce two-wheeler insurance costs. The next is cubic capacity. Cubic capacity is the capacity of your bike to carry the weight of the passenger and luggage. And the higher the cubic capacity, the higher would be the cost of the premiums. Okay, that's all the explanation that I can share to you. I hope it can help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What is critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance is a form of supplemental health insurance that provides coverage of expenses that your health plan doesn't cover. The purpose of critical illness insurance is to provide a monetary safety net in the event of medical diagnosis that could result in expensive treatments or other financial hardship. You can generally get critical illness insurance through an employee benefits program at work or by buying an individual policy on your own. And then what does critical illness insurance cover? Critical illness insurance provides benefit if you get diagnosed with a qualifying medical condition. The illness is covered by a policy vary depending on your plan. Here are some of critical illness that are usually covered under this type of insurance. The first is cancer, though it might get limited to a life-threatening diagnosis. The next is end-stage renal failure, and then heart attack, major organ transplant, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and stroke. Make sure to dig into coverage for a policy. Critical illness insurance policy can vary. For instance, some plans cover amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS or Lou Gehrig disease and hearing loss, while other policies don't cover those health issues. And then, does critical illness insurance cover pre-existing condition? Most critical illness plans don't cover pre-existing condition that were diagnosed before the policy were purchased. For example, your critical illness plan may not provide benefits if you were diagnosed with coronary artery disease before getting critical illness insurance and later need bypass surgery. And then what does critical illness insurance not cover? What critical illness insurance policies cover varies by the policy, but generally, here are what critical illness insurance policy will not cover. The first is asthma, diabetes, injuries sustained in an illegal act, injuries sustained by substance abuse, injuries sustained in war, pre-existing condition. Though a critical illness insurance policy may cover the condition after time, such after a year of policy being in evac. And then self-inflicted injuries. Make sure to read the fine print and understand exactly what the specific critical illness insurance policy covers before paying coverage. And how does critical illness insurance work? Supplemental critical illness insurance work much differently than traditional health insurance policy like PPO or HMO. Your regular health insurance plan covers the cost of your health care. If you are diagnosed with a critical illness, you can also file a claim with your critical illness insurance company. Your critical illness insurance company provides a lump sum payout up to your policy's coverage limit. And then critical illness insurance can help offset health care costs on your, or you can use it for whatever reason you need. You could use the money to pay your health insurance deductible or co-payments, or you could even put the money towards mortgage payments, groceries, and child care. And then, who needs critical illness insurance? Critical illness insurance can be good investment for people who can get coverage for free at a low price from an employer, or those with a health plan with a high deductible or out-of-pocket cost. Or if you have a family history of certain health conditions like cancer or heart disease, critical illness insurance can provide financial peace of mind that you will get more financial help if you are diagnosed with the condition. Because critical illness insurance offers coverage for a wide range of conditions, it can also be beneficial for people who don't have emergency fund or are concerned about the financial consequences of unexpected medical diagnosis. And then how much does critical illness insurance cost? Here's a look at example of critical illness insurance quote from insurance companies. These costs are for group coverage, not individual coverage sold directly to individuals, so keep that in mind when comparing quotes. If you buy an individual policy on your own, the cost of critical illness insurance depends on a few factors based on the amount of risk you pose to the insurance company. In most cases, you can expect to pay lower rates for individual critical illness insurance if you are young and healthy with no pre-existing condition. And then your premium is largely dependent on the coverage amount. Here are some condition criteria that insurance company consider if you apply for individual critical illness insurance plan. Overall health, age, gender, nicotine use, location, advantage of critical illness insurance, provides financial protection. A critical illness insurance plan can offer financial protection for your family, and this type of insurance can also keep you financially stable while you pay for a treatment. Okay, I think that's all the explanation that I can share to you. I hope it can help you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.